You so much for all of that information. Joining the conversation now is Los Angeles, California attorney Rachel Fiset. Rachel, thanks so much for being with me. I want to ask you, following up on what we just heard from Joy, that prior incident of him allegedly running over his girlfriend's leg. Do you think that comes in front of a jury if this case goes to trial?
Oh, I think that comes in. His attorney will seek to have that not come in, but that absolutely speaks to his modus operandi, meaning his method of injuring people. And that looks like what he uses as his weapon. The car looks like what he uses to injure. And that is important information.
And we're going to talk more about this on the other side of the break. But I did want to ask you about this preliminary hearing in itself. Defendants can sometimes waive the right to have all of this information come out in front of the judge and not have all of this that we got to see today from this detective on the stand. What do you make of that decision by this defense to go ahead and allow all of this to come in front of those victims and in front of cameras?
I'm not sure what they're thinking, not sure what the defendant is allowing and where his head is. Maybe they are thinking that they want to know what the prosecution is going to bring, so they're getting all of the evidence earlier. They want to see how it plays. Maybe this is actually a strategy by his defense team to try to get some reason into him. That could be the reason that this is happening, is that they have a difficult defendant that won't accept what he did. And so it helps the defense team in some ways for him to hear all that is going to be presented at trial and all that he is going to face.
Very interesting that you say this could be
Yeah.
a difficult defendant. Rachel, if you'll stay put, because we are going to stay with talking about this case.